Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you subject SS, topic 1, the imaginary lines, page number 1. Let us start. The earth's surface is made up of large land masses known as continents and water bodies known as oceans. Do you know how many continents are there on the earth and how many oceans are there on the earth? There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Which are they? Continents like Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America, and South America. Now oceans. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean and Indian Ocean. Do you know in which continent we live? We live in Asia continent. Among all these continents, Asia continent is the biggest continent of the earth. Do you know who created the globe? Why? Our geographer created the globe. For the purpose of locating places. Some imaginary lines drawn on the globe. Here is the globe. Some vertically and some are horizontally on the globe. On the globe, these kind of lines are drawn. They are known as horizontal lines, and some lines drawn on the globe are vertically. They are known as vertical lines. Latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary circles running from east to west. Imaginary lines of latitude is the equator, known as hemisphere. Latitudes are also called parallel latitudes. Latitudes are measured with the unit degree 0. All the latitudes are measured with the unit degree 0. The equator is the 0 degree latitude, poles are 90 degree north and 90 degree south. What is the equator? Do you know? Look, here is the diagram. This is our Earth's diagram. In the middle of the Earth, equator. Equator divides our Earth into two equal halves, North Pole and South Pole. North Pole, here is the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, in the middle of the globe. This is the equator. Then Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle. Upward is the North Pole and downward is the South Pole. North Pole is also known as the Northern Hemisphere and South Pole is also known as the Southern Hemisphere. Now let us repeat. Which kind of topics we learned today? First one, how many continents and oceans are there on the Earth? There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the Earth. Which are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. These all are the continents, and Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean and Indian Ocean. These 5 are the oceans. Now friends, do you know who created the globe? Our geographers created the globe. And why they created the globe? Why they created the globe? For the purpose of locating places. Then after we learn imaginary lines. Imaginary lines compulsory drawn on the globe. The lines which are drawn like these on the earth, they are called horizontal lines, and lines which drawn on the globe, they are vertical lines. Then after we learn latitudes, imaginary circles. All the latitudes measured as 0 degree. Latitudes are on the globe. The equator is the 0 degree poles. Poles like North Pole and South Pole. And then after we learn the diagram of the parallel of latitudes. In the middle of the earth, there is the equator. Then equator divides our earth into two equal halves, North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole is also known as the Northern Hemisphere and South Pole is also known as the Southern Hemisphere. Now next is important parallels of latitudes. First one, the most important longest parallel of latitude is the equator. On the globe, one and only the equator is the most important parallel latitudes of the earth. When we move northward from the equator, we will find the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north, the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north and North Pole at 90 degree north. When we move towards the equator from north side, after the equator 23.5 degree north Tropic of Cancer, then we find 66.5 degree north Arctic Circle, then after 90 degree north North Pole. Like this, when we move southward from the equator, we will find the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degree south and the South Pole at the 90 degree south. When we move southward of the equator, we find 23.5 degrees south Tropic of Capricorn and 66.5 degrees south Arctic Circle, then 90 degrees south South Pole. This is the parallel of latitudes. Characteristics of the latitudes. The lines of latitudes are parallel to each other. On the globe, all the lines of latitudes are parallel to each other. And then all lines of actually circles drawn in each hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, they became smaller as they moved towards the poles. When all the lines move from the equator, if they move north side, they became smaller. And then after, when they move from the equator south side, they became smaller from the southern.